How to hard reset Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro.
Step 1. First, use the power key to turn off your phone.
Step 2. Now press and hold the volume down, volume up, and power buttons simultaneously.
Step 3. When your Nothing Phone 3A or 3A Pro vibrates, release the power and volume down buttons, but keep holding the volume up button.
Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset.
After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use.
Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.